Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something every makeup lover can't do without, a good eyeliner. Today we're reviewing the Jane Iredale Liquid Eyeliner in Black, a product that promises to give you that sharp, dramatic look while nurturing your skin. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. This liquid eyeliner comes in a sleek, minimalist design, which immediately gives off a premium vibe. It's not just about the color, it's about performance and ingredients. Infused with botanical extracts, this eyeliner is designed to protect and soothe your skin while you get the perfect line. Now, the first thing that stands out is the finish. It's not your typical matte black eyeliner. This one has a shimmery, almost metallic sheen to it, which is perfect for those who love a little extra pop in their makeup. When it comes to the application, the formula is smooth, gliding easily onto the lid with minimal tugging. The liquid consistency is not too thick, so it doesn't go on clumpy, but also not too runny that it risks smudging. The fine tip applicator is precision-driven, making it easy to create both sharp cat eyes and softer, smudged lines depending on your preference. I wore this eyeliner during a full day out, and I have to say it held up remarkably well. No smudging or fading, even after a long day, which is a major plus for those of us who want our makeup to stay intact. The shimmery finish adds a unique touch, especially for evening looks, making it versatile for both day and night wear. Now for the pros. First of all, the color payoff is impressive. That deep, rich black looks bold and defined, yet it doesn't feel heavy. Plus, the botanical extracts not only make it a better choice for sensitive skin, but also soothe and protect. I noticed no irritation even after a long day of wear. It's also buildable, so you can go for a soft, natural line or layer it for a more dramatic effect. On the flip side, there are a couple of minor downsides. For one, the shimmery finish might not be for everyone. If you prefer a matte look, this eyeliner might not be your top pick. Additionally, while it's long-lasting, it does require a good makeup remover to take off completely at the end of the day. That's a small price to pay for such impressive performance, but something to keep in mind. When it comes to value for money, this product is certainly on the pricier side. But it justifies its price point if you're looking for a high-performance eyeliner that also cares for your skin. The botanical formula is a step above the usual chemical-heavy liners out there, making it worth considering for anyone with sensitive eyes or skin. If you're looking for alternatives that give a similar performance, but with a lower price tag, you could look into brands like NYX or L'Oreal, which offer solid liquid eyeliners that are long-lasting and budget-friendly. However, if you're prioritizing skin benefits and a shimmery finish, Jane Iredale might be your best bet. In terms of build quality, the eyeliner's sleek packaging is sturdy, and the applicator is easy to control. As for longevity, this eyeliner lasts a good while without losing its potency or drying up. Now, if you've used this eyeliner or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below and let us know. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Is this review helpful? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.